Hello. Welcome back for another video. So here I am at the Khao Soi Dao Waterfall. It's an animal sanctuary in Chanthaburi province. So I'm out with Carl's Thailand.
Morning.
There again today for another hike. So yeah, we've made our way over to Chanthaburi to Khao Soi Dao. We've never done this one before, but this is a 16 tier waterfall. But today we're only going to the 9th tier. It's probably going to take a couple of hours to get up to the 9th tier, but you can go all the way up to the 16th tier. But you've got to book that in advance. Few days in advance. If you phone them up and book it, you can get a guide, but that will take you probably about 6 hours to get all the way up to the top. So it's a one-day thing, you go all the way up and down. So we're just going to the 9th tier today, so no ranger required. So when you come in this place, the animal sanctuary, there's from the entrance, it's a 4-kilometer drive to where the trail for the waterfall actually starts. So you need your own transport to get here, or I'm sure you can hitch a ride from the entrance up to by a friendly local. Will have no problem taking you. But yeah, it's quite easy. So anyway, I'm going to be doing this one. It's going to take us a couple of hours. Really big waterfall this. There are wild elephants around, snakes, and lots of leeches. It's rainy season, so especially this type of jungle that we're in today, there are just leeches everywhere, and it's been raining recently, so we're expecting to get covered in them, although we've taken some precautions. I'll show you over this video just to get ready for those leeches, but we forgot the leech socks basically. So anyway, we're doing this waterfall, a new one for Carl and I. So let's see how we get on. You know the script by now. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Hey. Okay, so we're coming up to the first view of the waterfall now since we started hiking. So just coming into play. There you go, that's our first view. I'll get up here. So as you can see, it's quite muddy. I haven't seen any leeches yet, which is a good thing. We're just looking for some leeches. No. So yeah, we've not seen any yet. but I'm sure we'll see some soon as we get higher up. Okay, so there you go, it's the first view of the waterfall since we started. It's getting hot now, so you know me. Okay, when I get hot and I'm near a waterfall, there's only one way to cool down, and that's by diving in the ice cold water of a waterfall, finding a nice pool to get into. That's the thing. Oh, there's one down there. Look at that. So there's no access to that one though, but I'm sure we'll get access to one of the pools shortly. But there you go. Oh, that one looks perfect for a swim, that one. Don't you worry, I'll find one. Find one to cool down in. But it's really slippy, it's muddy, it's been raining overnight. So it's not currently raining, but you've got to watch your foot in here for sure, just because it's so slippy. But I've got the hiking boots on today, which makes it a little bit better. We've got a little bit more grip now on the sole of the shoe. Okay, get up this one. So this is tier 5 of the waterfall. So up till this point you're hiking in the jungle up till tier 5, so you're going straight past, you're not really seeing 1, 2, 3 and 4, but this is tier 5. Look at this is nice for a swim down here, and that one looks quite deep. Another local over here having some pictures taken. So there you go, we're starting to get some views of that waterfall now, and there are bugs galore here. Bugs galore buzzing around me, so make sure you bring your bug repellent. That would definitely come in handy here. There you go, that's tier 5. Okay, here we go. Here's a slightly better view of that tier 5. There we go. Down here. There. And we're up there. So there you go. See it all gushing down through the valley here. So we're going to be climbing up. Looks like we're going up to the steep parts now. Climbing up, I believe once you get from tier 5 all the way up to tier 9 now, it's quite steep. So the climbing's going to start. There are ropes in place from what I've seen. So look at that. Oh, and they're full of the fish as well, Carl. So you can get a foot massage. Look at that. So I might actually get in that one on the way down. That looks perfect. I can get in, I can get down just there. Perfect, and straight in, and you've got all the fish here too. So the ones they nibble at you, they take the dead skin off your feet basically. They don't hurt you, they don't have any teeth, but a lot of people are scared of them. But it's a free massage in the wild. There you go. Okay, let's carry on to the upper level. Okay, the climbing has started now. Yeah, so as soon as you get past tier 5, you start it starts going up. So when you got ropes here that you can help you, or if you can scramble up, but yeah, it's all wet and muddy and slippy as well, so Sometimes the rope's the best option. We'll see how we get on. See if we start sliding first. There we go. So yeah, look at that. Mud everywhere. I still haven't seen any leeches yet, although the ants are having a field day there, aren't they? Look at them, there's millions of them. All the way up there. Wow. Oh, there's a great big massive trail of them all the way up here. There you go. There you go. Oh, they keep on going. Look at that. It looks like they're moving house or something. Oh, they don't stop. They go and they go on and on and on. Oh, amazing. Getting hot now, hot and sweaty. There's a swim coming soon, I can assure you. Can't wait for that ice cold water. Oh, here we are, coming up to the tier number 6 now. Tier number 6, so slippery route. Huh? Now I see a sign saying slippery route. Stating the obvious there. Right, it is slippery. So here we are, tier 6. Sawadee crap. Yeah, look at that. Down under that. Oh. Wow, look at that. Oh yeah, that's nice. Nice and refreshing, that one. I can feel the spray coming off it. Look at that, go over here. Look at that. Tier 6. Let's go and check out tier 7, 8 and 9. Oh, so this section's really muddy, slippery. Ropes in place, but yeah, definitely expect, if you come in a rainy season, definitely expect a slippery trail. But those November, December, once there's less rain, the ground will have dried up by then, so it'll be a nice hike up. But until then, definitely fighting against gravity. Yeah. So look at that, it's just slippery mud everywhere. Still no sign of any leeches, so that's a bonus. Oh, that's cool.
I'll tell you what, there's something I really appreciate is these tree roots, you know.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Because they're brilliant. They make, you know, things you can grab hold of, don't they? They make good steps.
Yeah, they're definitely good for hanging on to. So now we're getting up to the levels where the elephants are. So the waterfall closes at 3 PM because the elephants come down during the early evening, so they like to get all visitors out of here by the time the elephants come foraging around. But you never know, hopefully one chases Carl and I can get it on video for you. That came down foraging a little bit earlier, so we'll see, eh? We'll see. If I see Carl running, I'll start recording before I look what's coming. Yeah. Again, Baldy Brian, prepared to face danger so you don't have to. Oh, there's Carl coming. It was up here, Carl, something big, there was big cracking noise. So, oh, long way down there now and then back up again. God knows what that was then, but that was something big, for sure.
Something big off in the jungle.
Yeah. Okay. Here comes Carl, he's absolutely knackered. Takes it out, have you done it? Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, looks like we're going to get back on the waterfall just over here. Okay, yeah, we're coming back up to the waterfall here. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go, just through the trees there. You can see. So it looks like we're climbing up there. On the left here, it looks like we're going right up there. So, well, that's cascading right over. So, well, let's get up there then. So here we are. Looks like we're at. Looks like we're coming up to tier 9 now. So tier 7 and 8, you don't really see. You go in jungle as you're hiking up. You sort of pass them. So you see 5 and 6. You don't see 7 and 8, and you come out here at 9. There we go, the conquest of Khao Soi Dao Waterfall, the winner. Baldy Brian winning, so you don't have to. No swimming, no jumping, slippery route. So we can't swim up here, but the water looks like it's coming down quite heavy, so I'm not surprised you can't swim. Let's go and have a look. Oh, there you go, look at that. That is absolutely stunning. All the way up there. And don't forget, you can go to the 16th floor, but you need to book. You need to book several days in advance. I'll put the number that you can call in the description of this video. So if you want to book, you have to come. You'll probably have to camp here for the night or something, but you need to book, and then you can carry on. But that takes about 6 hours. It took about 2 hours to get here. It'll take you about 6 hours to get to the 16th tier. So that's a full day up and down. 12 hour round trip. This one we're on to floor 9 is a 4-hour round trip. But we're here, so we're going to enjoy this. We're going to enjoy this. Look at that.
This is it. 9th level reach.
Let's get over here. Navigate over the rocks. There we go. Oh, there's a little infinity pool type thing just here. So you don't get that. Brilliant. There you go, you can get in the water there and relax if you want to cool down. So there's little pools here you can get into. Just go down, charge your batteries up. Charge your batteries up before you head all the way down again. There we go, let's see if we can get over here now. Don't want to fall in. There we go, we're making it, we're making it. Oh, look at that. The lush green valley there. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Okay. I hope you've enjoyed Carl and I's little trip here to Khao Soi Dao Waterfall in Chanthaburi province. It's absolutely spectacular if you ever get the chance to do this. So, thank you for watching the video. I hope to see you on the next one. Don't forget, if you did like the video, to subscribe, like and subscribe. I need the subscribers, I can tell you. So, until the next time, it's Baldy Brian checking out from the Khao Soi Dao Waterfall here in Chanthaburi province. Hey, 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 hey.